We got to listen creation music. Lord, look how O'Neal put on this a dance tonight. Lord, Peter Metro him in the area with no rubber dub fashion. His eye put the roots in a different fashion. Na 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 na. Christ so Harry creation feeling. Christ so one thing in life that you can't forget. You come a dance and you hear me round the king discotheque. We put the roots on the mic, live and direct. It's a Harry creation feeling. Me say your chest, your back, your belly, your roll. Just control that they ball like a land skill toe. It's for the roots and Peter Metro, live and direct. It's a Harry measure me that feeling. Come me say Buenos Dias, me say muchacho. I'm on for the roots, I'm El Salvador. Me father won a truck and a big jumbo. It fly over the mountain, it kill a jankro. The airport to Inland, them call it Palisado. So me in a taxi and Volvo. Me know it from me head straight down to me toe. What you never know, but you, whatever say Peter Metro. Know when to hold, you gotta say. Know when to fall, know when to walk away, and know when to run. You never count your money when you're sitting by the table, 'cause there is time enough to count them, son, when the dealing's done.
Because a lot of man not get no loving tonight. Pull up. Yo, no man come. Hey, yo, Puddy Roots, big singer.
Dub playing in the ghetto tonight. We gonna rock it tonight. We're really gonna rock it tonight. Dub playing in the ghetto tonight. We gonna rock it tonight. We're really gonna rock it tonight. Peter Metro. Stop your fussing and fighting. Stop your fussing and fighting. Should be in at the dance hall dancing tonight. You know why? I mean said don't type beer and a Heineken. We really have to rock it tonight. We keep on dancing and do we own thing. We're really gonna rock it tonight. We gonna rock it tonight. Really gonna rock it tonight. We gonna rock you. We're gonna rock it tonight. We're really gonna rock it tonight. I'm say big dog teach them. People reach out and reach them in a dancehall style. It's hard to build a better nation with different races. Oh, every day say a nice up a dancehall places. No brotherly love, no sisterly love. That's what the roots man say. But nothing you can do. Say me come, be nice up the place. Say me come with love. Say me come with love. Say me come with love. Sweet love. You are going on. But in the house, the youth them rock every hour. Rock every hour, but it is to write a story along the hour. And no brotherly love, no sisterly love. That's what the roots man say. But nothing you can do, say me come, be nice up the place. Famous. Oh, I love you so right now. About my baby, yeah. Little darling, I say I love you so right now. I never, I'm gonna let you go. No. Pretty little baby, I say I want you got to understand. Then I want you to. I'm loving you. I'm in loving you. Oh, I love you so right now. About my baby, yeah. A little darling, I say I love you so right now. I never, I'm gonna let wanna know. Pretty little baby, I say, I want you try to understand. Ask a mother for a sixpence, for a sixpence. Mother, look at the lyrics there. I asked my mother for a sixpence to see me to Giraffe. The rain come down and falling. Some people keep on asking the mother for sixpence to see me to Giraffe. The rain come down and falling. Some people keep on asking me no question. Me will tell no lie. Put the jumbo lassie and it will catch no fly. Two liquor bars were playing in the grass. One jumped from the other's back and called him a son of a ass. Cause a dog, a great little dog was seen. He lent her to a lady just to keep her company. Because the little dog was wicked as can be. He jumped up on the lady's leg and bite her on her. Country girl, country boy, sitting on a rock. Down came a bumblebees and bite her on her cocktail. Ginger ale, 10 cents a glass. If you don't like that, you can kiss my hearing. Where's so famous? I can't help smile when I look at she. Keep on going crazy is all I can do. I'm so defenseless, but she's so close. All they crumble from my body and soul. Write your name across Puddy Roots heart, girl. I want the world to know that I am yours forever. Pull up! I can't help smile when I look at she. Continue, been going crazy is all I can do. I'm so defenseless when the girl's so close. All they crumble from my body and soul. Write your name across Puddy Roots heart, girl. I want the world to know that I am yours forever. I'll wear it like a shining star, girl. Write your name across Puddy Roots heart. You know why? You, my life, was an open book. Everything I had is yours. I tried to give you everything you need. But as far as love goes, there's a lifetime guarantee, girl. Write your name across Puddy Roots heart, girl. I want the world to know that I am yours forever. I'll wear it like a shining star. Write your name across Puddy Roots heart. Never you upstairs. Him say a theme tune this. I mean I have to deal with it. Cause him say him want it, see? Want hear it. When I was a youth, Mama used to say to me, Puddy Roots, don't go astray. You are one. When I was a youth and in me prime, Mama wash me clothes and she hang it on line. No me turn a man, me get to understand. Come here, Puddy Roots from the microphone stand. The lyrics on me mouth and the mic in my hand. And my ability is a rap obsession. A special request to what the dance all fun. You come in at your tens and in your thousand. Cause life in the ghetto it is not easy. I wake up every morning, can't drink a cup of tea. And Babylon a come and antagonize me. You know, Puddy Roots and the crew have a free, so boogie down. You come Christopher Brown, boogie down. Come here the champion, so Barry G no work at GADC, but me never see him on me TV. Me see the Technicolor Jackie did a right pan us. News and sports a Technicolor broadcast. So me and me spar, the two of we a spar. We like a fat girl and me call out to her. She say go a maga boy, you black like tar. Your teeth them scatter like a mud car. Look from your clothes like a you a fight war. I do the anthem panda ready me because I don't know. The national anthem in a dancehall style. Sleeping one night when the father vision I said I want you to be another follower of I. Not up your hair and live a righteous life, son. You'll be blessed as a Rastafari. I had to make a living cause I had a family. And Puddy must eat and clothes, he must wear. Never had a bus fear, not a red cent around. Thursday night in a Puddy room. Pull up! Scratchy, scratchy, but it's not my fault. I the selector fault. It's a the national anthem. All massive, roping, Puddy Roots double. Sleeping one night when the father vision I said I want you to be another follower of I. Not up your hair and live a righteous life, son. You'll be blessed as a Rastafari. I had to make a living cause I had a family. And Puddy must eat and clothes he must wear. Never had a bus fear, not a red cent around. Rubber dub church in a rebel T-town. Long ear pretty people need not apply. One no old nigga strictly Rastafari. Long ear pretty people need not apply. Easy teach them cause you must get obliged. So take off your tam, come here the champion. It's I Puddy Roots from the microphone stand. A special because you are the dancehall fan. You come in at your tens and in your thousand. Just wait Mr. Wicked, don't run like you're mad. I and I represent His Majesty God. Equality and justice stand for all. Discrimination against Rasta must fall. Oh Cecilia, you're breaking my heart. You're turning my brains upside down. Oh Cecilia, I'm down on my knees. I'm begging you please to come home. Come on home, hey. What am I? Tell him hey, making love in the afternoon with Cecilia up in my bedroom. Making love, I got up to wash my face. When I get back in bed, someone is taking my place. And a cold and gray Chicago morning, another little baby child was born in the ghetto. Wow. And down in the ghetto. Wow. And if there's one thing that she don't need, another little hungry mouth to feed in the ghetto. Wow. And people can't you understand? The child needs a name. Niceness famous. I miss a niceness famous. In a different style. Na 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 na. It's so every Thursday night, feeling crazy. So one thing in life that you can't regret. Welcome a rebel tea place. Here the king is gonna take with Metro Media and the crew live and direct. It's so every Thursday night, feeling. I went downtown like a good man should. She found me yesterday just like I knew she would. Cause a girl is a girl, wherever she may be. And this is one thing my baby mother said to me. No go downtown and grab girl chain. Run down the lane and complain. Oh, when you look behind you is Radication Squad. So me 16 chop up and Bushmaster. Cause I went downtown to just some money on me book. Aside 5 you, them a prips and a look. As I come to the door, them try to hold me up. But when them look behind them Radication Squad I come. Why strictly loving, yeah. Oh, well, strictly just like I knew she would. Cause a girl is a girl, wherever she may be. And this is one thing my baby mother said to me. Now go downtown and grab her chain. Please, Mr. Editor. Please, Mr. I may see my one on this now. Please, Mr. Editor. Please, Mr. Editor. Would you please write my story in your magazine? But all of a sudden, man, she goes on and she's seen of her misery. I was a life feeding fool, feeding her so cool. She broke my heart and made me cry. Broke every rule and that's mine. True confession, she can read the story. Read it in the magazine, that's my true confession. True confession, I know well. I'm sorry that I treated her so mean. Oh, I'm sorry that I treated her so mean. I will call her up and I apologize. She said she loved Puddy rules as in being. Well, I'm afraid until the rest of life, cause I know she wouldn't listen to me. I was a life-feeding fool, feeding her so cool. She broke my heart and made me cry. Broke every rule and that's mine. True confession. If Barry Brown was here, he would have sing this your style. Pan this a trap, sing this your style. People hear it. Anything I try to do, I just can't get through. Oh no, oh no. If I try to do good, my brethren, it turns out too bad. Chronicle, big up. I'm not so lucky. I'm not so lucky. Oh no, like lucky, believe me. If I try to do something that is right, it's like I'm on an iron eye. I get a big fight. I got to think constructively, meditatively, very wisely, very consciously. Michael, hello Josephine, how do you do? How do you do? Sing it with me. Hello Josephine, how do you do? How do you do? Do you remember me, my baby? Do you remember me, my? When I remember you, when I remember, we used to walk and talk, on the railway track, When we walk and talk, Metro meter in the lawn, long with creation, the champion, long with creation, with body rules around the control stand, for the rules in a style, in a different pattern, Used to walk and talk, and hold my hand, used to walk in the park, Metro meter in the lawn, Metro meter in the mighty Lord.